Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's keep up with the analysis of the euro currency. So today is a kind of the pre-holiday session, so tomorrow it will be the Thanksgiving, so activity might be a bit lower than usual, but still there are a few moments that might be interesting, and especially on intraday charts. So yesterday we were concerned with the possible grabber on the dollar index, if you remember, and we said, guys, it's might be the reason why the euro currency could retest the previous lows if we will get this grabber. But currently, you can see we haven't got the grabber on the dollar index. Market just closed below the MACD, and actually here we have the flat top, which is usually supportive for downside action. It's kind of the tweezer top, as the traders call it. But unfortunately, or unfortunately, but we've got it. I mean, the grabber in another place, in particular on the euro currency on the daily chart. So you can see this has some kind of high wave pattern. It's tested the MACD, and now we have the bearish grabber right there. The target of this grabber, theoretical target, stands below this area. So market should challenge the lows. The appearing of the high wave, it might be either market some indecision, or maybe it's because of the just coming the holiday and decreasing of the activity. It's difficult to say, but it means that market either preparing for something and don't know the direction, or just waiting for something. So as usual, market performs in this way. That's why currently you have actually only one possible direction for trading, if of course you do not want to make the bet on the failure of the grabber and the market will keep going higher. But I'm just following the Napoli system of trading. So from that standpoint of view, we have the bearish directional pattern on the daily chart, and direction overrules trend. And besides, currently we do not have yet the confirmed bullish trend, so our context remains bearish. And from that standpoint, we consider only bearish trades right here. On the falling time frame chart, actually market shows the performance that we discussed yesterday. If you remember, I said that this is not really very impressive. So usually when market turns in opposite direction, it usually shows faster and stronger action. Here's some kind of the curious consolidation stand. And recently, when the grabber has been formed, you could see that on the 4-hour time frame chart, we also got nicely looking evening star candlestick pattern. So this evening star suggests at least minor continuation down. So maybe market will try to close the gap. Difficult to say. Something like was with the engulfing. So engulfing has been formed. The target equal to the length of the bars have been achieved. The same might be here with the morning star. Here, as you can see, market shows minor pullback inside of the body of the pattern. So if you're interested in taking the short position with the grabber that we have, that will be your invalidation point. For position taking, you, for example, could watch for 105.10 area. In fact, market here is forming nicely looking Gartley's triplet to sell. And this will be very small risk here. So it's 105.44 is already the validation point. This is potentially your entry opportunity around 105.10, maybe slightly higher, so around this area. As a target, it might be downside ABCD pattern. So minimum target will be if everything will go as we're discussing from the theoretical point of view. So the minimum target will be around 104.25. But potentially it might be slightly lower, just market could try to close this gap finally. So that's the setup for today. This is an intraday setup, which probably will be over within today's session, maybe today, tomorrow, so it should be relatively fast. If you're interested with that, well, theoretically, you could consider it. If not, currently, we're not considering taking any longs because we have the grubber, so we need to see what will happen, whether either it will be cancelled or it will reach the target, and then we could start thinking about something else. And second, at the eve of the holiday, so activity on the market stands relatively low. From that standpoint of view, probably if you do not want to and do not intend to trade this minor intraday setup, in this case probably it makes sense just to sit on the hands and do nothing and see what will happen.